Right now I'm cutting and design all them tree. But I feel bad because the birds them they're eating all the nice pomegranate. So I'm not really sure. I will cut it in a way that I leave the pomegranate to rest on the ground and some on the tree. As these birds are having a feast right now. So this is the design I'm doing, Jah people. All that right there, right there. I'm hooking that up right there, Jah people. All them trees I'm tying together and I'm doing some cuttings right now. So most of the trees I'm bending them together, put them together, design them for the springtime. So Jah people, pomegranate fully loaded still, but these ones for the bird them, like I say, and they're having their feast. They're not playing. Different kind of bird around here, Jah people. Different kind. Winter time, and there's a lot of food for the birds them. Beautiful birds, man, I'm telling you. So even in our garden in the winter time, still sightseeing, still feeding the birds them. Jah is good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna trim it in a way that I leave some on the ground and still some on the tree for the birds them. Cause it's all about the animal, Jah people. That's it. Alright, forever loving Jah. Let you see them right there. Well comfortable. Don't stop planting, Jah people. Bring nature to you all, bring the country to you all in the desert. Check this. This bird is gray, yellow, gray and yellow. Beautiful bird, man. See? Jah people, is the finishing touch of trimming the pomegranate and the rest of trees them. And the birds, they're still having their feast with no complaint. Give Jah the glory. So I left some on the ground, Jah people, and on the tree. And let them birds, they have the fun, you know. And the animals, they come number one, Jah people. Different type of birds, man. And now check the design, Jah people. Finishing touch. Now check it out. That's the jujube right there. Pomegranate, lap over it. So that's the pomegranate. I finished cut it, Jah people. If you take a good look. So a lap. Then the middle one is another pomegranate, different type pomegranate. But if you see how I cut it, Jah people, I love to show, let everybody see that stem, you know. Push off that stem. That's the beauty of it. But all the leaf and everything got to be on the ground because it's winter time to cool off the ground, you know. So the rest of pomegranate I leave on the ground for the birds them. And some of them I leave on the tree for the birds them. Because it's winter time, they need to have their feast. So you lap over Jah people, because I planned before ahead of time, before springtime. So you see I let it lap. Pomegranate lap over the jujube. And the other pomegranate will catch up to it springtime. The one in the middle. That one in the middle will catch up to both of them. So they will lock on to each other. So there, that's where I will, right there over there, I will plant honeydew melon and watermelon and let it run it up and let it run up all of them. So they will have everything dripping from all of them right down. The honeydew melon and the melon. So I'm planning ahead of time, Jah people. The work never stop. Check the view. Look at the sky, Jah people. Beautiful weather, man. Give Jah the glory. Yes. So back to the different design, you know what I mean? And like I said, Jah people, the birds are still eating. So that jujube lock into that one, right? Then if you come this way, there's a different jujube. I lock it into that, the same pomegranate tree. You see, Jah people? So there's the design I'm talking about right there. Because I got planned to run the melon and the watermelon. So finishing touch, Jah people. All right. Keep in touch. Forever loving Jah. Love you all. Bless up. Yes. Forever loving Jah, man. Only in Las Vegas. Yes. Beauty of Jah earth. Yeah, man. Different type of bird, Jah people. Different type. See? Living proof. They're having a feast. That's a fig tree, Jah people. The bird, they're having a feast on the fig. I forgot to speak about that, so I try to keep food all year around for these birds around here too, you know. Love it. Enough excitement behind here. Only in Abba Garden. Beauty of Jah earth. They're still eating the cactus too and everything. Check it out, Jah people. That one up there just chilling. In the winter time in Las Vegas. Love the sightseeing, Jah people. Straight from our garden. Yes. They got different, it's like buffet, you know. Different choice. I can stay all day, just look at this, Jah people. But let me say, love you all. Forever loving Jah. Bless up.